Hello, let's talk about how to handle stress. Our content is introduction of stress, types of stress, introduction of stress management, advantage, disadvantage, types of stressor, case study, conclusion. So, what is stress? Stress is the often termed as a 20th century syndrome born out the man to race toward to modern progress and it is ensuing complexities. Alam natin ilan sa mga tao o lahat ng mga tao ay nakakaranas ng stress. Meaning of stress, stress can have the big impact your body. In that way are the felt by the just you in a way the world can see. One of the more visible potential by the products of stress is weight gain many people that themselves to be emotional eaters. We react to stress by reaching for the something, often the wrong thing, to eat. Stress can also create a loss of appetite, which is the problem as well. Sign of stress. Pumapaloob dito rin ang physical sign, mental sign, and behavior sign, then job stress sign. For example is the insomnia. Kadalasan, nagaganap to sa isang tao yung mga taong hindi makatulog, meron silang insomnia. And then, second is the loss of the mental concentration. Nawawala sila sa pagkaka-mental health nila. Then, absenteeism, then depression. Depression is maraming nakakaranas na tao nito na nagkakaroon ng depression kaya humahatong din sa pagkamatay ang kanilang depression. Extreme in injury, that's frustration. Family conflict. Yes, family conflict. Kadalasan dito sa family conflict kapag na hindi ka na susuportahan ng iyong pamilya, nagkakaroon ka rin ng stress. Then migraine, head attack, back problem. Causes of stress. Dito naman papasok ang job insecurity. Sa isang trabaho, hindi mawawala talaga ang isang katrabaho na insecure sa iyo. The next is high performance demand. Kadalasan din dito sa isang trabaho, naghahanap sila ng isang high performance pero hindi mo naman kaya at ginagawa mo yung best mo para magawa mo ito. Kaya kadalasan nauuwi rin sa stress ito. Then the bad boss. Then yung mga bad boss na yan, yung tipo na ano-ano na lang iutos sa'yo. Kaya na-stress ka rin sa mga bagay na inuutos na yun kahit di naman konektado sa trabaho mo. Workplace culture. Personal or family problems. Yan, isa rin to sa mga naka-cause na of stress, the personal family problems. Then technology.
Eustress versus distress. Eustress. Eustress means beneficial stress. Eustress or positive stress has the following characteristic. Motivates, focuses energy. In short term, is perceived as within our coping abilities. Feels exciting, improves performance. Example of eustress: the excitement of roller coaster ride, a scary movie, or a fun challenge. Positive stress result: enables concentration, increases performance, energizes you into motion. Distress. In contrast, distress or negative stress has the following characteristic: causes anxiety or concern, can be short or long term, is perceived as outside of our coping abilities, feels unpleasant, decreases performance, can lead to mental and physical problems. Something you can do if someone having this feeling: show you are listening, calmly ask them how you can help, try to establish trust by listening to them respectfully, be considerate of what is going on around them and what they need. Negative stress results: loss of motivation, reduces effectiveness, physical, mental, and behavioral problems. Stress seems to be everywhere this day. People are stressed about their job, their family, friends, the economy. Everything seems to cause stress. So what in the world is it good for? Well, everything in moderation. If your stress level is too low, you won't perform well due to lack of stimulation. But with too much stress, performance at home or at work degrades due to anxiety. Effect of stress, work-related stress. So dito naman, hindi ka makaka-focus sa mga gagawin mo or tatapusin mo sa trabaho kung stress ka sa environment na ginagalawan mo, and hindi ka din magiging komportable sa mga makakasama mo or nakakasama mo sa loob ng company nyo kung stress ka. Stress boosters. Be prepared for changes. Find and protect time to refresh, re-energize, and remotivate. Avoid giving into alcohol, smoking, and other substance abuses. Positive attitudes toward a stressful situation in life. Don't be complacent. Sit straight and comfortably on your seat and try breathing exercise. Try creative visualization.
Stress management. It is the administration of stress and especially chronic stress of the purpose of improving everyday functioning. Stress produces numerous symptoms which vary according to the person, situation, and severity. This that can include the physical health decline as well as depression. Types of stress management. Acute stress is usually for the short time with the many due to work pressure, meaning deadlines pressure or minor accident, over the execration, increase the physical activity, searching the something the but you misplace it, or similar things. Symptoms of this type of the tension are the headache, back pain, stomach problem, rapid heartbeat, muscles or body pain. Chronic stress is the type of stress is the most serious of the all the three stress types. Chronic stress is the prolonged stress that exists the for weeks, months, or the even years. This stress is the due the poverty, broken or stressed families and marriage. Chronic illness, the successive failures in life. People suffering from these types of stress get used it the may even not realize that they are under chronic stress. It's the very harmful to their health. Causes of stress management. Whenever our body feels something not affordable, then it tries to defend itself. It is the situation continues for the long time, then our body is working overtime. Then is there are several causes of stress. For the example, you are under the stress when you are worried about something, worried about your children, worried about your illness of your father, worried about your job security, or worried about your loans or similar things. Advantage of stress management. Business advantage of the stress management. First is the less absences due to stress related disorder. Second is the less worker compensation loss the due stress related illness or the accident. The third is the improve the job performance. Fourth is the less stressful, more efficient workplace. Third, improve the employee attitude. And the last is the improve the employee overall health. Disadvantage of stress management. Stress is disadvantage because the competentially raise your heart rate and weaken your immune system. Also, it can be the factor in the poor decision making because under stress we not may think logically or consider the consequences of the choices we make.
Relief from stress. Stop shallow breathing. Create a habit of deep breath. Visualize and communicate your vision. Laugh. Crack some joke. Do your goofiest impression. Tickle a child that you love. Beware of your choices. You always have a choice. Learn to say no. You cannot do everything you are asked. So, practicein natin yung tumanggi or magsabi ng no, lalong-lalo na kung labag na labag sa kalooban natin ang pag-yes natin. We can freely say No, we have a choice. Always be thankful. Sa malaki or sa maliit na bagay, kailangan tayong maging thankful. Do nothing. That's right, folks. Do nothing at all. Close the door, open the window, have a seat, and take a little break from life. If your mind is racing, learn to meditate and just let that stress go. Hindi masama ang magpahinga, lalong-lalo na kung physically, mentally, emotionally pagod ka. Minsan kailangan din ng ating katawan ng pahinga. Listen to music. Music therapy can evoke positive emotion and stimulate reward center in the brain. Music therapy is often able to alleviate symptoms of medical health concern. Some therapists like to have their patient to use music as their escape when they need to get away from everything for a while. ABC strategy. A for awareness, B for balance, and C for control. In this slide, you will see the stress reduction methods. So, enjoy your life as it comes and always be happy. Case study. Conclusion, stress problems are very common. So, common na daw sa tao na ma-stress or makaramdam ng stress. Even if it's positive or negative stress, you can take care of yourself. And that's be all. Thank you.